Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you all are doing great with the blessings of Allah Almighty. I am here for practicing speaking English for day 2. Telling you something. Go outside, look around. See the growth of trees. Can you see the growth of trees overnight? You can't see. It doesn't mean trees are not growing. It's growing, but you can't see the growth of the trees immediately. You can see the growth of the trees after 1 month, after some time. That's exactly happened with our English. When we start English journey, we want to see result quickly, but that doesn't happen. When we practice with consistency, we can see the result after 1 month, after some time. It will take time. But as a human being, we are very impatient. When we start journey, we want to see result quickly. That's not happening just with you. That's exactly happening with all of us. So let's start the topic. Today I want to share something very special. In the previous video, I told to you I joined one private sector school. So that was the reason I did not upload videos for 1 week with consistency. So here is the question. Now why I am recording video? Did I quit the school? So I am telling you exactly what happened with me. Actually, I submitted my CV there and they called me for demo. I went there, I gave demo and interview. They selected me and they told me you can join school from tomorrow. I joined school last Friday. So what happened? They told me first 3 days will be your trial. I told her okay. So what happened on Friday and Monday and Tuesday? Tuesday, when I completed my trial days, so I asked from the principal, are you satisfied with my teaching methodology? So she told me, yes, we are satisfied, but I asked from owner of the school. I said, okay. So when she texted her, then she told her, I will come and I will conduct interview with her and then we hire her. That was very disappointing for me. I joined that school because it's nearby my home and my daughter and my son also studied there. So it was easy for me. But what happened after few trial days, they called me and they told me you don't come from tomorrow. When madam and sir come, then they called you and first they conduct interview with you and then they will hire you. That was very disappointing for me. I felt very sad deeply. My question was just why you keep me on trial days without conducting interview with the seniors. So I was very sad. The peoples who live surrounding us, like families, tuition students, neighbors, and those students which belong from that schools, whenever I dropped off my children to the school, in the way those students asked from me, why you are not teaching us, why you are not teaching? It was very embarrassing situation for me. So something in the life, something happened in our life which we are not expecting. So this one accident is also like that. So that was the reason. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video, inshallah. Take care and stay blessed.